Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue, bootable device not found. And this is an error that occurs when the hard disk is not recognized. In our case we have the hard drive in our HP desktop pro desk. So I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer, but in your case you can just power it off and then you click F10 to go to the BIOS setup. So while the computer powers on again, you click F10. Sorry about that. When you click that, it will take you to the BIOS setup, as you can see here. So when you reach this point, you go to advanced, then you will see port options, and then you will see this SATA ports not enabled. So this first one is for the hard drive, which is in the CPU. So you enable all those three options in case you have other hard drives, and then you click F10 to save changes, then click enter. Then when the computer reboots, we shall be able to resolve this issue and the computer will work normally as supposed to be. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for a few seconds. We wait. The computer is going to load the Windows files from the hard disk. This is how you resolve this issue of no bootable device found on the hard drive. So you're going to wait a bit, but this resolves our issue. We have our Windows files loading now. So this was just a quick video on how to resolve this issue. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.